Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted because of school and other pressures of life, but I'm back. Welcome back to Tech with Elton. So today I want to show you a trick on how to export your Canva designs in HD quality. I've been getting questions and queries on how to upscale the flyers in Canva to HD quality. Some people were complaining that after designing my designs in Canva, usually when I want to send to the client, it will be in low resolution. So I just found a workaround. So that's what I want to show you guys. So let's say you have finished designing your flyer in Canva like this. When you hit the download button, which is at the top right corner, click on download here, and as you can see, it shows that the file type PNG, and when you look at the size is 1, as you can see, but next to it there's a crown symbol. So this feature is for those who are using Canva Pro. Okay, so when you hit the download button, it's downloading. It has finished downloading, and let me go on to WhatsApp and send to a client. Let me just go in the group. Okay, let me come here, and when I try to send to the client, as you can see, cannot set to HD, the media is not in HD resolution. Just click on OK. Let's go back to Canva. So the trick here is when you hit the download button, where it says size, just write 3 instead of 1, and then click download. So this works only for pro users. This works only for pro users. Okay, so let me go and share to WhatsApp. Let me just click share. And let me hit the send button. As you can see, it's in HD quality. And if we try to zoom in, there is no loss in quality on the pictures and on the logo or on the text. So just hit send, and as you can see, the flyer is now in HD quality. So another hack for those who are not using Canva Pro, I have this application on my phone. It's called Polish Pro Photo Editor. So in case you have a picture that's not in HD quality because you don't have Canva Pro, just click on photo and just go to the, let's go to the Canva image that's not in HD quality. So it's this one, and scroll on the option that are below, scroll to the right, and you see where it says enhancer. Click on enhance. And then when it's done, just click on save. So this application is modded, so if you download the one on Play Store, it will need you to pay, but this one is modded. So if you just want it, just comment down below, and I'll send it to you. So after you have saved, go to your Telegram, and find this bot. It's called Image Upscale. and you send the recent picture, the recent edited flyer, and it will upscale for you. And when you download and you share to the client, it will be in HD quality. But the only drawback that we have is in some of the flyers, especially if you have used pictures of people, when the result comes back, the upscaled flyer, it will distort the images of the people in the flyer. So if you try to zoom in, let me go on this one I previously edited. As you can see, the images will look like a cartoon. They will be so heavily sharpened because it's AI. As you can see, look at the logo here, it's distorted. Okay, so it's not returning the result is in. Let's download and you can see what I'm talking about. So they're usually, so these two ways are the ones that I use, but as for me, I have Canva Pro, so I use the first method I just showed you guys. This one is a drawback of this. Look at this, look at the image, it's like a cartoon. Look what it did to this person, and look at the logo, look at the text, it's distorted because it's AI. It heavily sharpens the picture. If you send it to the client now, as you can see, it's in HD quality, but the pictures of the people will be distorted. So I heavily urge you guys to use the first method of using Canva Pro and just download on 3x size, and that's the best method to use. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like my videos, and comment down below if you want the application that I use to upscale my images. But remember to use the first method because you'll be guaranteed of quality. Thank you.